Hi, my name's Louise. I'm born and bred in Sydney. I received a bowel cancer screening test, which I proceeded to do at some stage later. And my husband started nagging me to do it. And then I got the positive result, which I was completely stunned by. Eventually had a colonoscopy, and that's when I got diagnosed. Yeah, I thought I was incredibly fit and healthy, and anyone I told couldn't believe it because I've always been very careful about what I eat and had been extremely fit. I was training for a big walk that we were doing, so I was more shocked than anything else that someone like me would happen to me. It just goes to show it can be anybody, particularly when you have absolutely no symptoms whatsoever. The longer you leave it, the worse the situation potentially can be for you, and would have been for me if I had have left it any longer than what I did. And it'll be 2 years in January since I finished chemotherapy. I've regained my complete fitness and health, and all my blood tests are completely clear. I can do exactly what I was doing before I had the diagnosis. Do the test and don't put it off. Don't waste time, get it done. And early detection, as my husband always says, was early correction in my case.